It is no longer a secret that AI jobs are the talk of the future. Today, I want to talk about CrowdGen by Appen. While it is not new, most of you in the previous years have already worked with Appen, but right now it goes by the name CrowdGen by Appen. So I want to do an honest review about the platform and also recommend it for those who also want to have some more income by working online. Now, one thing I've come to like about AI jobs is because right now there are so many of them, and the good side about them is they pay in US dollars and you get to receive your payment in full. CrowdGen is no different from any other AI jobs I've talked about. Now, one thing about them is that the steps are very few. Like for instance, you only need to check openings and choose the skill that matches with you. Another thing is you need to follow your emails after you have applied so that you see if you have been invited for the onboarding process. That thing is you need to pass a qualification test and you will be given a study guide. So it is not like you are going there to apply for a job without a study guide. I know most of you, when you're applying for jobs like Outlier, you normally fear or have fears of failing the test. But at least there, they are going to give you the guide to pass that particular job. So why CrowdGen now? Now, one thing about them I've noticed is that they have flexible hours. You can work at any time. Again, you get to work from anywhere. I mean, you can work from your car, you can work from your office, or even you can work from home. Then also they have good compensation because they pay around $50 to $100 on tasks performed. Again, their payment are not delayed, so you get your quick payment on time. The question is, for those who have already been working with CrowdGen, you can leave a comment and tell us how you are faring on while working with CrowdGen so that other people who also want to apply can ask you questions and maybe we can get to help each other. Remember, I said online jobs is all about helping each other. The same way I normally help you guys, also those who have CrowdGen, you can comment and help those who need to be assisted. Now, some frequent asked question here is, will I get paid? Yes, of course, they will pay you. And again, you don't have to pay any money to get into this particular job. All you need to do is apply using your skill. Another job or another frequent asked question is, do you need to have any experience or any background in technology? No, you don't need any experience because most of these tasks in CrowdGen by Appen don't demand any form of experience. So that means anybody can work on these platforms. Now, I've been telling you the future is AI, and while you're applying for these jobs, don't go there fearing that you're going to be rejected. Sometimes it's good also to give it a try. I say give it a try. You never know which one will work for you. I've been making other videos on YouTube talking about other platforms, so check them out. Now, you may also need a proxy for this CrowdGen if you want to increase your pay. One thing I noticed is most of the jobs have already written the states or the country in which they're accepting. For instance, you will find Georgia, United States, United Kingdom, even other countries like India, Albania, Georgia, Slovakia, Mongolia. All these are countries, even Democratic Republic of Congo. So if you're in Congo, they are looking for Lingala speakers. So you can go there, try to apply. Now, this one is the one that I'm recommending you to go try. Transcription data collection in United States. You can go apply for this one because the requirement is simple. You just need to be above 18. And also, if you reside in the US, doesn't mean even if you are not in the US, you cannot apply. You can use a proxy. I recommend use either IP Royal, Node Maven. Also, you can check ABC proxies. Those are good proxies you can use for your videos. For your account application. Now, if you need any assistance with the proxies, you can always reach out. And before I forget, for those who also been needing a resume, you can always use ChatGPT and get to draft a very nice resume for your work. So you don't need to go around asking which resume I'm going to use. Again, they are asking about few details that anybody that has no experience can fill. For example, who doesn't know their name? Who doesn't know their gender? So it is easy peasy. And after you do that, you just need to click submit and send. So thank you so much, and may God bless you. See you in the next one.